Golden Star is a West African-focused gold mining company. We have 2 producing mines in southwestern Ghana called Wassa and Prestea, and we've been active in Ghana now for 18 years. During that time, we've produced about 4 million ounces of gold, and we're very focused on not just operating our mines to a very high standard, but also on being a very responsible corporate citizen.
Really, I can feel it at the heart of the company. And that's really what our approach is to get that DNA of wanting to make a difference and then succeeding in making the difference.
Over its 18 years in Ghana, the company has turned that passion into numerous successful programs that are touching the lives and hearts of everyone involved.
We've screened over 10,400 women and girls. We've identified over 270 women who had breast lumps, and so those lives have now potentially been saved.
Local health workers have also been trained and clinics established to continue the program within the national health system. The Helping Babies Breathe program trains healthcare workers to ensure healthy births.
I get really emotional when I talk about this program, that we've dropped the neonatal death rate by an order of magnitude. Last year, no babies died. You know, kind of gives me tingles even just thinking about such a simple program of skills and capacity development can have such impact for the rural poor.
It's these type of programs that, you know what, you come home and you realize we're really doing good work. It feels good.
Golden Star's programs are in line with the United Nations guidelines for social responsibility. They have also managed to combine their community and environmental efforts.
One of the most exciting projects we're working on at the moment is converting 2 of our tailing storage facilities into oil palm plantations.
The oil palm plantation program has been in place since 2006 and covers over 1,100 hectares.
And so that provides employment for over 317 smallholder farmers currently and over 400 contract workers. And then all of those people, of course, have families as well. So you can see that there's thousands of people being supported with improved livelihoods through this project.
There is also an aquaculture program turning old mining pits into thriving fisheries. Golden Star is also committed to supporting local employment. 99% of their 3,600 employees are local. Hiring local suppliers was a bigger challenge, to which the company found a creative solution.
It was heartbreaking because none of them were big enough or sophisticated enough to win a mining contract. And so we brought all those small companies together and ultimately set up an umbrella corporation called Local Contractors for Mining Services, or LOCUMS, which is now what they're well known as. Since their inception, which was less than 2 years ago, they've earned over $18 million US. So that's $18 million US that stayed directly in our community.
Golden Star also created a foundation to contribute to the local communities based on community input. All these initiatives are founded on a willingness to partner with other organizations, having a strong team in place to create and deliver successful programs, and a commitment to leaving a lasting legacy in Ghana.
When you leave something behind, you want to know that it can stand and support itself going forward.
We really want what we can deliver in the communities to be sustainable. If it's not there 5 years later, then we didn't do it right. It's heartbreaking, but we know we're in a rural impoverished zone, and you know that really is an opportunity for us as human beings, as individuals, to do what we can with our skills and our knowledge and our capacity to try and give something back to the communities that have already given so much to us.
We want to be a company that people turn to and say, you know what, that's a good model. We should try to follow that.